Hey, today's Thanksgiving series, we are bringing you dressing, and we're making it keto-fied.
Roll the intro.
What is up, my keto friends? And you know exactly who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video on our channel. If this is your first time here and you would like to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and also other keto related topics, do me a favor, click that subscribe button and move a little bit over to the left. Click the bell and the word all so you will get all notifications when we upload great ketogenic content on this channel. Hopefully she wasn't mocking me that time.
We're making dressing. We're not making dressing.
Now, like I said in the intro, dressing. That's how you say it in the South.
I'm from the South, but I say dressing.
Dressing. Like I said, we're not making stuffing. It's not stuffing.
We don't stuff it anywhere.
Don't stuff. It's not stovetop stuffing, and we're not stuffing it in a turkey. We are in the middle of our Thanksgiving series because we're in the month of November, and we thought it would be proper for us to show our keto friends how they should make a Thanksgiving dinner and keep it keto-fied.
Yes, and
it can be done.
Our very first video, we did bread with lupin flour.
Lupin flour.
In our second video, we did cornbread.
Cornbread. See, there's a method to the madness.
Right, because both of those I use in dressing. Used to, what my mom would do is she would because I grew up with 3 older brothers. We went through bread like crazy. And so nobody would take what we called the heel.
The heel.
Some people call it the ends. We always called it the heel. I don't know why. It's just a thing.
Well, look at the heel of your foot. It's rounded like that, so that's why it's the heel.
No, pretty sure that's not it.
Everybody look at your heel.
But anyway, my mom would save the heels in the bread. She would keep them in
Speaking of heels, why am I taller?
Because I'm barefoot and you have shoes on. I got shoes on. So we're almost the same height.
I'd throw that out there.
Yeah.
I know, it's like,
wow.
Hi.
Anyway, so she would keep a bag of bread and she would keep all the heels, and when she made dressing, she would tear it up and use the white bread along with cornbread. So that's why we did the bread, and then we did the cornbread, and now we're going to do the dressing.
The dress. Now, let me back up here for a sec. Now, did you only do the lupin flour because that's what your mom did? Is she threw this other white bread heels in it, or is that something that needed to be done in the dressing?
I don't know. It's the
thing?
Zig Ziglar thing.
Is that the thing? Like, why does mom cut the end off the ham? Well, I didn't have a pan long enough.
Right.
So you don't know.
Nobody knows. No.
Why do we use white bread?
Tradition.
Why? Because we didn't have enough cornbread.
No, that wasn't
That could be it.
Tradition.
Well, anyway, we're going to show you how to make it right now.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 1 pound of chopped up chicken, 3 boiled eggs, 2 stalks of celery, 1 chopped up onion, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of sage, and about 1 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste, and 1
onions, walk back. All right, as you just saw in the video, we just showed you an overhead of it went in the oven 350 for about 30 minutes. Okay?
And I have to say, this is the least amount of dressing I've ever made in my entire life, because
usually you cook for an army.
Normally we're cooking for about 18 to 20 people. The whole entire family comes, the brothers, their wives, their kids' kids, everybody. And so usually we do it in this big vat looking.
Actually,
it's a roasting pan.
Yeah, it reminds me of a big turkey pan.
Yeah, it's
like you would cook a turkey.
It's a roasting. That's what we do. That's what we actually cook the turkey. Oh, we cook the turkey in it, and the juice that's in there, we put the bread in that. And,
okay.
Yeah, so
cook the turkey. So we didn't do that with this one.
No, I used juice from the chicken that I had cooked.
Boom! Did y'all see that? I know y'all saw that on the video.
Yeah, it was broth. So I also added some extra broth from the box that you buy.
So you've basically done nothing different except you've replaced things.
You mean other than
like instead of cooking the turkey and using that juice, you've got juice that you would have done that with.
Right, and I just use a chicken because it's not Thanksgiving yet. We usually only do a turkey once a year. Literally, yeah.
And there's a whole controversy of how I say turkey and dressing. I think you've went over this before. It's not turkey and dressing. It's just dressing that happens to have the base meat of turkey in it. Of course, this has chicken in it, so it's still dressing, but it's not chicken and dressing. Anyway, wait, where's my...
Go get
you didn't give me a fork?
I was going to both use the same fork.
Should we get I'm going to use a spoon.
Okay.
Is that something we... Well, okay, hold on.
I'm very sad because I don't see an egg. I probably should have put
Wait,
more
why don't
eggs
you get an egg in it?
That's okay.
Is there no egg? There's an egg right there.
Okay.
See it right there, right there. Nope.
Oh, that's it.
You got it. Okay, egg.
Okay, there we go. Ready?
Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
Take it.
Okay, ready?
Ooh, it's still piping.
Get it. What did you just do? What is that?
That's my happy shrug. Okay, so what do you think?
Wet cornbread.
You always say that about dressing.
Well, that's what it is, right?
Use your
spoon. I will say, I don't hate that. I don't hate it.
Oh my gosh.
Now,
I'm so excited.
That is.
Dude, that's way better than last year's chaffle dressing.
Oh my gosh.
You like the chaffle dressing.
That was an epic fail.
But you liked it.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. Hold on.
Do
I get anything on my mouth?
No, you're good.
Okay. First reaction. It's very moist. Now it's very juicy. Okay.
Yeah. It's not dry at all because normally.
Yeah. No. Yeah. You're right. Some dressings I've had over at other people's homes, you can cut it like a cake.
Yeah, like cornbread.
Like corn. Yeah. You cut it and you're like, you take a bite and you're like, has anybody got any milk in here?
I mean, look. Here's the consistency. I mean, it's just like I think it's perfect.
That's a good dressing. Now you know this.
Happy.
You know this. Your dressing is more your forte, and you've seen me around the Thanksgiving table before. I don't get a lot of dressing. I mean, I stick to the turkey, the ham, and all that good stuff, and the sweet potato casserole. What?
Which we will be doing.
That's coming up soon.
Potatoes.
Okay.
Did we tell them what we were going to use? We never told them, did we?
What?
We didn't tell them the surprise.
No, we didn't, and we're not going to tell them until it's going to be a super reveal.
They know.
When we make the sweet potato casserole.
They know.
They don't know.
I bet they do.
Only our keto friends.
Comment if you think you know.
If you think you know what the secret ingredient for sweet potato casserole, and guess what? It ain't a sweet potato.
Right.
I can tell you that because that ain't keto.
So you don't love it? I love it.
I mean, you have more of a love for this than me. I mean, look at you going in there like that. That's why. And you did the happy shrug, like, Do you feel all warm inside with this?
I mean, this.
See, I felt that way about the white macadamia nut cookies.
I'm excited to serve this.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Compared to regular
it's
dressing.
Regular dressing.
Compared to regular cornbread and white bread. I call it ghetto bread.
Did you say why we You didn't say.
Oh, while we were cooking, we found out because earlier in the video we were talking about why we use. Did we even talk about that? Oh, the heel.
Yeah.
You know that old Zig Ziglar
white
story
bread.
about why do we cut the heel off the ham? Called Grandma 2 generations later, and she said, I didn't have a pan big enough. That's why. So nobody knew. They thought it was a tradition. Well,
Yeah.
it wasn't tradition. It was because I didn't have a pan big enough.
But you didn't explain it really well. His wife cut the end off, and he looked at her, and he was like, "Why are you cutting the end off the ham?" And she's like, "Well, I don't know. My mom always
My mom
did."
did it, yeah.
So they called the mom, and they said, "Why do you cut the end of the ham off?" And she's like, "I don't know.
I don't know. My mom did
always did it." And so they called Grandma, and they were like, "Why did you cut the end off the ham?" And she's like, "Because my pan wasn't big enough."
Yeah, I never had a pan big enough.
And so that
Instead of
tradition.
going out and buying another pan, it was like, whatever, I'm cutting the end off.
Well, I mean, probably back in the day,
Well,
you
sure.
couldn't really go out and
yeah,
buy
the
a
Great
pan.
Depression, where you don't get a pan like
But
that.
anyway, tradition.
So anyways, tradition. Yeah, so that was the story. So we were like, why are we using bread
White bread.
and cornbread? Well, I mean, you used lupin flour bread. Okay, and so you're like, I don't know why. So we asked Mom, and she said,
Because it makes it,
makes it better.
It makes it more moist.
I don't buy it.
She said it makes it more
I don't
moist.
buy it. I think there's some other reason that people don't know about.
Dude, I wish you loved dressing like I do. I feel like I can't get enough of this.
You
The
can't
kids are
see?
gonna be so
Hey,
excited.
Keto friends, if there's other dressing lovers, she's all over it. Hey, I
so
don't hate
good.
it. I'm saying I'll give it a thumbs up.
It's so
Thumbs
good.
up if you like this video and if you like dressing. Hey, I'm telling you, this is going to be a big hit around the Thanksgiving table.
Yeah.
Not going to lie there.
It's really good. Try it.
Yeah, try it.
You'll
Make
like it.
this at home. If you're trying to stay keto over the holidays, it can be done.
Yes. We did it last
You
year.
can do it. You can do it. You don't have to go, I'm doing a cheat day because I've got all this crazy sugary carb food around me and I can't say no. No, you can say no. You can do it. You're a winner.
And the thing is, if you do say no, you're going to feel better about yourself. If you don't say no, don't beat yourself
Yeah,
up.
don't.
But you're going to feel like hot garbage because every single time, like we go out to eat, I don't force my kids to do keto 24/7. If we go out to eat or something, and like today we went to Outback, they ate bread, they ate macaroni and cheese, they ate a bloomin' onion.
Yeah, you'll give them a little bit of that leash.
They
But-
ate, and then when we came home, my son was like, "My stomach doesn't feel good." And I'm like, "When are you gonna
garbage.
learn? When are you gonna learn? When he eats bad, he feels bad, and so just try your best."
Yeah, do your best and forget the rest.
Yeah, and like I said, if you don't stay strict keto or don't stay dirty keto, if you don't stay keto at all, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on it whenever you can.
But at least we're here on this channel to give you options.
Yes.
It can be done.
can be
You don't
done.
have to go, well, there's nothing I can do about it.
Right.
Because somebody made dressing at the table and I have no choice. Well, make it yourself. Bring it.
Yeah.
And I'll guarantee you other people will thank you because they'll go, hey, this is better than my cornbread. And you'll go, exactly. And where did I get it? My keto friends.
Heck yeah.
Okay, as talking about traditions, we've always said our kids here have always tested our food, and they, and Mom has said, hey, they love it, they can't get enough of it. Well, here's first reaction.
They've never tasted this.
To the dressing.
To the dressing.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
here we go.
You don't have to take a
Caitlin,
big bite,
Jason.
my lord.
Here we go. Boom. Okay. What do you got?
How's it
It's really
taste?
good.
Is it?
Delicious.
You love it?
But what's inside of it?
Possum.
We have
I'm just kidding. That's
chicken, cornbread, celery, onions, egg, that kind of stuff.
Just
Regular
onions?
dressing.
Yeah, do y'all remember dressing at Thanksgiving? Okay. All they remember is the turkey.
We have it every year. How do you not remember dressing
Okay,
it?
yeah, I do.
How good is it? Does it taste like the same?
I don't think we've ever had regular dressing.
I've had regular dressing.
What's regular dressing?
Wet cornbread.
Oh, you always have regular dressing.
Wet cornbread.
He got that from a
It's
comedian.
it's a thumbs up. No, I actually made that up myself.
Oh. Did you like it, Farrell?
This is really
Isn't
good.
it amazing?
So that's the video, guys. Thank you for wait, messed that one up. Cut it. That's the video, guys. Thank you for watching our Thanksgiving series. Make sure if you have other people that are trying to do keto, share this with them during these holidays, during the Thanksgiving season. Give us a thumbs up, put some comments down below. Remember to share this video. And also, if you hadn't subscribed to our social media platforms, you can do that. At the end of the video, you can find out where to follow us there. Until next time, remember, guys, keep it keto. I went all the way back on that one.
Wow.
Yes. But you like that one, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. See, she likes it.